Hey, being Q-Core looks so easy.
Hey, I am a Q-Core alt. I love the Q-Core style, but I am never motivated to clean my room because I am either too busy or something else. I don't have much clothing that matches the Q-Core style, but I am still working on it all. I don't have a printer, it's too expensive. So when I go to my cousin's house, I print some things out of hers, or I trace it out, but I don't really find it ethical because it's copying somebody's work.